Hi there, I'm Brady, instructor at Physique 57. Today I'll be taking you through an amazing full body workout. Just know we'll be focusing predominantly on the thighs and the seat. Today I have Ashley here. She'll be giving you some modifications, some challenges along the way. Are you ready? Let's do it. So we start with our feet together. Roll your shoulders back, stand nice and tall and proud. Pop your right heel high, step your right foot back. Bring the chest forward. We'll start to pull the right heel into the glute, tuck the toes under, in and down, in and down. So it's a hamstring curl. As you can see, Ashley here has her knee right over top of her ankle. She's feeling the abs scoop in and up, and she's feeling all that fire start to burn into the back of the glutes, sculpting your thighs, in and down, in and down. Now she's gonna take it to that next level. Try not to let your foot touch the floor. Go in, extend the leg, in and out. So you feel the abs work a little bit harder. Inhale, exhale, let that breath be your guide. You have 4 more here. Push, go in and out. 2 more, go in and out. Now hold it bent and start to press the heel up to the ceiling. Lift, lift. Now that next layer, start to reach your arms all the way up to the sky. Feel the heart rate lift a little bit higher. If you're ready for that next level, add a little bend with the standing leg. Feel your legs split apart. You have 10 strong seconds. I know you can get lower. Go 1 and 2, push it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep lifting your back thigh. Put the hands right to the floor. Hop your left knee back so it's right underneath of your hip. If this is too much, you drop your knee down. If you're ready for that next challenge, we're gonna add a little push up in the mix. We go down, up, down, up, down, up. Make yourself a calorie blasting machine. Take a deep breath in and say, I can, I will. You have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Feel the seat, feel the arms, so the heart rate lifts even higher. 6, 7, 8, 9. Drop your left knee down. Take a breath. Roll your shoulders. We're going into a hamstring curl. Let's straighten the leg out and in. We push, we pull. So just take a couple deep breaths right here. Sit up strong, focusing on all that burn going right into the glute, right into the hamstring. Hands are right under the shoulders. Shoulders melt away from the ears. Abs are scooping in and up. Let's take 4 here. 4 and bend it. 3 and squeeze. 2 more. Out and in. Now hold it bent. We'll take 1 point to lift, then 1 flex. Point the toes, flex the toes. Point it, flex it. So you'll start to feel that lower hamstring with the point, the higher hamstring with the flex. I know Ashley's feeling it, right? Woo, feeling all that burn. Just know the deeper the burn, the faster you change your body. So stick with it. We have 4 and push. Go 3 and press. 2 more. We point it, we flex it, hold it, point it. Take a breath. Now turn your knee out and in. Rotate it out, then parallel. Inhale, exhale. So focus on both hips still shining down to the floor. Feeling that little side divot of the glute start to heat up. We have 4 here. 4 and in. Go 3 and in. 2 more. We open, we close, stay turned out. Hold it. Now just take a little lift. Up, down, lift. Lift. Here comes your change. You ready? Let's start to put the left elbow onto the floor, right underneath your shoulder. Ashley will give you this nice, gorgeous side view. Try to focus on your top hip stacking over top of your bottom hip. Feel all that length in the front of the right thigh. 8 seconds and we add on 1 and 2. Feel that start to feel the side divot of the seat heat up. 5, 6. Now hold it. Flex your foot and push it to the back. Little wrap. Now imagine I'm right there with you. You're pushing your heel right into my hand, right? We get that deeper burn, even stronger. 8 seconds here. 1, 2, push. 3, 4. I know you can push harder at home. 6, here comes your combo move. We'll take 1 point to lift, 1 flex to wrap. Point it, flex it. Inhale, exhale for the side seat and the back of the seat. Who doesn't love a little combo move, right? You get all the muscles sculpted and toned even quicker. 4 more. Lift, wrap it. 1. Point, lift, wrap it. 2. 2 more. Point, lift, wrap it. 3. Let's all hold. Point the toes slowly. Tuck your right knee behind your left. Then flex, press it up. Go in and in. So you feel that nice twizzle in. You feel the inner thighs squeeze toward one another. Just start to breathe in a little bit deeper. We're gonna start to take it faster. We tuck it in, uphold, go in, uphold. 8 times. 1, you push. 2, you squeeze deeper. 3, and press. Yes, 4. How we doing, Ashley? We're rocking it out. We got 4 more. Lift it. 3 and up. 2 more. In and up. Now hold it up. Point your foot. Just pulse it up, down, up, down. We'll start to fully extend that right leg all the way long. If you're ready for that next layer, reach the right arm all the way up to the sky. Gorgeous and strong. 10 seconds. 1, 2. For that left side, lift even more. Longer, stronger. 5. Yes, you can. 6. Up. 7, 8, 9. Lower the legs slowly to the floor. Allow yourself all the way down. Take a breath. Pull your knees in. Let's lift both feet up. Flex your top foot. Slowly press your right thigh. Back, back, pull it in. And so this is your sideline deli slip. So we're gonna start to feel that side glute and the back of the glute continue to burn. In and let your neck, your shoulders, your jaw relax. No tension there. Put it right into your seat. Get it firm and strong. Go in and in. One more slow. Back and back. Go in. Let's pick up the pace. We push back and in. Go push and pull. I want you to start to think about something that stressed you out today. Maybe this week. Just push it away. Start fresh right here. Stronger. You 4 more. 4 and in. Yes. 3 and in. 2 more. You push. You pull. Hold it back for a little. Bend press, bend push, bend push. Here comes you change. You ready? Drop the bottom shin down. Start to press yourself up to your left elbow. Make sure it's right underneath of your shoulder. And now we're gonna lift the heart rate a little bit higher. Let's really get into it. Add that right arm. You're gonna push it out and reach and reach. Let's go for it. A little stronger. I know Ashley wants a little love in here. Let's go for it. 8 seconds. 1, 2. I'm high-fiving you at home as well. Go 5 and 6 and 7. Hold everything long. Wrap your thigh back. Back, back. So you feel the right heel reaching across to your left shoulder. 8 seconds and we have a change. Go 1 wrap, 2, squeeze deeper, 3, I know you can. Go 5, 6, 7, now hold, point your back foot, tap the foot, down, then up. We lower, we lift. Start to place your right hand back down onto the floor. Start to scooch your left knee back away from you a little bit more. Now feel free to stay here. If you're ready to bump it up a notch to that next level, we'll start to lift the bottom hip, up and down. We lift collapsible deli slicer. Inhale, exhale, up. You have 4 more right here. Up, 4 and lower. Yes, 3. Ashley's looking great. I know you are at home as well. 2 more. Up. Now we're gonna keep it up and say just pulse it with all your might, all your strength, all your energy. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Woo! 4, 5, 6. Squeeze. 7, 8, 9. Slowly lower yourself down. Let's take a deep breath. We're gonna come back up to stand. We have the whole thing on the second side. Let's do it. Hands go to hips. Roll the shoulders back. Pop your left heel high. Step your left foot back. Let's start to incline the chest forward. Pull your back heel in, then tuck the toes in and back. Here we go. Side 2. We're gonna make it just as strong, just as fierce as side 1, right? In and out. Go in. When you're ready, don't even let the foot touch the floor. It just hovers. Go in, let it hover. Inhale, exhale. We have 4 right here. In, press 1. In, press 2. 2 more. In, press 3. Now hold it bent and push the heel up. Little lift, little lift. Let's start to reach the arms all the way up by the ears. Roll the shoulders down. If you're ready, add a little bend with the standing leg. Feel your legs split apart from one another. Dig and dig. 10 seconds. 1 and 2. I know you can bend a little bit deeper. Yes, woo, yes she can. 6, 7, 8. Keep lifting your back leg. Put your hands down to the floor. Hop your back knee down. Keep pressing your left heel up. Feel free to stay here or add a nice strong push-up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Lifting your heart rate, lifting your metabolic rate. 8 more seconds. 1 and 2, 3. Believe in yourself. I do. You should as well. Go 6 and 7. Drop your right knee down. Hold. Take a breath. Let's start to straighten the leg. Out. And let the shoulders melt from the ears. Hands are right underneath of the shoulders. Feel the abs scoop in and up right toward the lower back. Feel both hips square off to the floor. You have 4 more here. Push and pull. 2 and in. 2 more. We press it, we pull it. Let's hold it bent. We'll take 1 point to lift, then 1 flex. You point it, you flex it. Inhale, inhale, exhale. You want to feel the lower portion of the hamstring fire up, then the higher. We have 4 and push it. Go 3 and press. 2 more. Point it, flex it, hold it, point and stay. Now turn your knee. Open and close. For that little left side divot of the seat, heat up. Open it and close it. We have 4 more, then we're gonna stay turned out together. 4 and in. Go 3 and in. 2 more. Open it, close it, stay turned out. Just little pulses here. Here comes your change. Start to put your right elbow down. Ashley will once again give you that side view. Make sure elbow's right underneath of the shoulder. Top hip opens up so your hips are stacked. Think like your back is against a wall. Now hold your leg still, flex your foot and push it to the back. Push, push, push. Good, I'm with you at home again, right? You're pushing into my hand with your heel with all of your might. 8 seconds strong. 1 and 2. How we feeling, girl? 3. We're rocking it out. Yes, 5. Woo! 6. Little combo move coming your way. Let's take 1 point to lift, 1 flex to wrap. We lift and we wrap. We have 4 more and push. Go 3 and press. 2 more. You lift it, you wrap it, hold it, point, and now slowly tuck your left knee behind your right and then press it right back up to the sky. Go in and lift and lift. Feel your inner thighs squeeze toward one another. Feel the right oblique lift away from the floor. You have 1 more slow. Let's pick up the pace. We have faster. We go in 1, up 1, go in and squeeze. The deeper you squeeze your glute, the faster it will sculpt. Let that inspire you. Let that drive you. You have 4 more here. Go in, press 1, go in, press 2, 2 more, go in, press 3. Now hold to the top, point your foot, just little lift, up, down, up, down. Let's start to fully extend the leg. If you're ready for that next level, extend your left arm up, gaze up to the sky. Beautiful, we have 10 seconds. 1, getting longer, stronger with every pulse. 4, 5, yes, 6, beautiful, Ashley. 7, 8, 9, lay all the way down on your right side. Pull your knees into your chest, lift your feet up. Flex your top foot, take a moment, roll your shoulders, breathe. We're gonna press the left leg slowly. Back and back, we pull it in and in. So sideline deli slicer right here. Feel all that energy shoot out of your left heel. Push, push, like you're pushing the top leg through water. You have 1 more slow. Back, 2, in. Now a little bit quicker. We push, out, hold, in, out, hold, squeeze, deeper with every press out. You have 4 more, then we keep it back there. 4 and in. I know she wants a little bit more left. 2 more, go out and in. Now hold it back for little bend presses. Bend, push, bend, push. Keep that bend press going. Drop your bottom shin down to the floor. Keep that going as you push yourself up to your right elbow. Make sure it's right underneath your shoulder. Add that left arm if you can. Push it, push it, push it. You have 10 seconds here. 1, 2, I think she wants a high five again. Why not? We go 5, yes, 6, squeeze, 7, 8, hold it long. Just start to take that little wrap over. Right side lifts even more. 8 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, squeeze, 4. I know you can get that like longer at home with Ashley. You go 7, 8, now hold it still. Point your foot, tap your foot to the floor. Lift, just place your left hand down. Roll your shoulders down, couple deep breaths. You can scoot your right knee back away from you a couple more inches. When you're ready, let's lift that bottom hip up. Go down, hip lifts, down, up, hold, lower, lift. What's gonna inspire you to lift a little bit more? Maybe try that challenge now. You never know until you try. We have 4 more here. Down, lift 1, yes, down, lift 2, keep it moving, down, lift 3, now hold at the top and say just pulse it. Up, down, 10 more seconds, give it your all. 1, 2, 3, we're rooting for you. I know you can. Go 6, lift 7, 8, 9, and 10. Drop that leg down. Take a breath, come up to your knees. We have 1 more little blast for the thighs in the seat. I hope you're excited. Bring the toes together, knees slightly apart, a little bit wider than your hips. Reach your arms long in front, roll your shoulders down. We'll start to hinge back. Go back for 2 and lift for 2. So feel the abs hug in and out. Feel your glutes squeeze nice and tight. Move your body back as solid as a board. 1 more here. Back and lift. Let's add the arms. Right arm swoops back for 2 and bring it back to the center. Left arm swoops, and lift and lift. 1 more each side. Right and center. 1 more. Down and down. Now hold it. Now just hover your heels. Bring your arms all the way up. We're gonna make fists. We're gonna pull the elbows down. Bring your knees just a little bit more together so they're just about hip distance apart. Okay, you're ready for that next big level? Let's do it. You're gonna add a little lift up with your hips. Up, down, down. You have 15 seconds left just to rock your thighs, rock your seat, make yourself a calorie burning machine. Stay with us. You have 10 seconds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, fight for it. 5, up, 6, woo, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax all the way down. Take a breath. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you press play again soon.